Record screen, camera, cursor, and audio streams separately so you can apply professionally designed layouts to your video and use the flexible editing capabilities of Camtasia Editor. Open the Snagit Capture window and click the Video tab. The Open In menu lets you choose where to edit the video after recording. Select Camtasia Editor. Before you click Capture and record the video, check the other video settings to make sure you record the screen, camera, and microphone you intend to. Choose Region, Window, or on Mac, Full Screen Capture, and ensure the correct camera is selected. I will leave Screen Draw off, and the cursor is always toggled on when recording the Camtasia Editor. You can delete it later in Camtasia if you wish. Be sure the correct microphone is selected, and I will leave system audio off so no notifications or sounds from my computer are recorded. Click Capture, select a region, double-check the settings, and record. When done, the video appears in the Camtasia Rev window where you can choose a layout and quickly apply effects. Decide if you want more focus to be on the camera or screen and play around with what looks best. The Screen tab is my favorite. Some effects are on by default, and you can click to turn them off or on again. I also want Kinetic cursor turned on, giving some momentum and a push-pull look to the cursor movements. And I like left-click scaling on. The changing cursor size makes my clicks more obvious. Let's see it. Perfect. I don't want to add any other camera effects or filters, but I can always come back into Rev later if I change my mind. At this point, I could call this video done. Click Export to save to your computer as an MP4, or upload right to Screencast or YouTube to share with others. Or make further edits in Camtasia Editor, such as adding transitions, titles, or music, or switching between different layouts throughout the video. I recommend the Rev Media option. This combines your screen, camera, and audio on a single track for simpler editing. It also allows you to jump back into Camtasia Rev later. A tutorial is linked below to learn about our recommended additional edits. Or, for fine editing control, select Unpacked Media to edit the camera, screen, audio, and background as separate tracks. Lastly, this video is not saved to your Snagit library. In order to come back and make video edits later, save the Camtasia project. Thanks for watching. To learn more, be sure to check out our other tutorials.